Mabuhay, this is Vizcayana Hotel. Benjamin speaking. How may I help you?
Can I have a reservation on May 16th, 2024?
One moment, please. I'll just check those dates if there's nothing for a room for you. For waiting, sir. I'm checking there's another room for you, sir. Shall we proceed to the reservation? May I know your personal details, sir? May I know your name?
From Angela de la Cruz.
So your arrival, sir, is on May 16. How about your departure, sir?
May 19th.
And the estimated time of your arrival, sir?
6 a.m.
Which room do you prefer, sir? We have standard room, deluxe room, and executive suite.
Deluxe room, please.
So deluxe room, sir, is the rate is 5,000. How many guests you are expecting, sir?
It's just
May I know your home address, sir?
Bukas del Norte, Nueva Vizcaya.
And your mobile phone, sir?
0991-111-236.
And your email address, sir?
Angelo Abad,
And the booking person, sir?
it's me.
Which do you prefer for your payment, sir?
Visa card, please.
This is guaranteed, sir.
Yes.
May I know your account number?
000.
And the card holder, sir? May I know the expiry date, sir?
September 2020.
Do you have any special request, sir? I'll just repeat your reservation, sir. Your name is Mark Angelo de la Cruz. Your arrival is on May 16, and departure is on May 19. Estimated time of your arrival, sir, is 6 a.m. The room that you choose is deluxe. The rate is 500. 5,000. Sorry. And your home address is 2 Pax del Sur, Nueva Vizcaya. Your mobile phone is 0928-751-2523. And your email address is angeloabad.email.com. And the book person is you, sir. And the method of payment is Visa. And this is guaranteed. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Thank you for calling Vizcayana Hotel, sir. See you on May 16. Have a good day, sir.
Thank you.
Hi, welcome to Vizcayana Hotel. I'm Benny with the same terminal service for you. May I have your information? Okay, thank you. Ma'am, our guest is here for check-in. Hi, welcome to Vizcayana Hotel. Do you have an online room reservation?
Nothing.
One moment, please. I'll just check if there's an available room. How can I First, sir, do you have standard room, collection, except this?
This is standard. 1, 2, 3.
So, will you settle your payment via cash? I want to check out this. Okay, ma'am, please sit down. Can I have your answer for the room 301? Wait a moment. A moment. Please, I will just check. So here is your ID, sir, and your SIM card. Thank you for your staying with us, sir. By the way, sir, this is Miss Clara Rosa Acosta, your bell service. She will assist you to your rooms. Have a good day, sir. So, how is your travel? Are you here now for business or vacation? I'm here for vacation. So, we are now in the woman. The service. May I borrow your meter? How is your room? It's okay. Where do you want me to put your luggage? Just put it there. Here's your card. If you need anything, you will visit your house.
Good morning, sir. Welcome 21 high volume certificates and
Morning,
membership
our
members have access to 24
Sir, we offer hotel
and
reservation,
we
tour
will celebrate
packages,
your
transportation, airport
We have also
transport,
complimentary
vacation
meals.
packages.
and
All of this is 20%.
our card membership
The
benefits.
total
Now
cost
we have
is
also 50% discount on dinner
5,900.
for 2
Would
persons
you like to avail
and
it?
2 nights.
Yes,
30% discount on the diner for
Please.
and 40% discount on diner for without. And then 20% discount on the Halloween one. You have beverages room service, Sunday brunch. Which type of payment would you prefer now?
So I will
Actually,
see the
you
exact
have
amount.
4,000. You will pay for 4,000.
So this is your card,
brunch.
sir. Front you will see our logo and at the back,
For
or the
for
information of our club.
and
And you will sign this card so we will know if the card is eligible.
here's your
So every time you come in our club, sir, please bring this card.
club
Thank
card.
you.
Thank you, sir.
So
Thank you, sir, for availing on the membership club. Have a good day.
Thank you.
May I have you, sir?
I want to check out.
What number, sir?
Room 301.
One moment, please. Have a seat. Big House City, please check room 301 for checkout. Thank you. Hello? Room 301 is clean and ready for checkout. Okay, thank you. Sir De La Cruz, your room is clear. One moment, please. Upon checking, you have still a balance, which is 7,000. I received the exact amount. Here's the receipt, sir. Can I have the key card, sir? Thank you. By the way, sir, here's